Okay, I'm in the process of hanging up this cork board. It is so cute. It's a perfect like neutral beige. I actually have a stack of them. I'm gonna put 2 right here because I have a small space, and I think it'd be perfect to be able to just hang up a little couple like post-it notes and little cards and things right here. And then I'm gonna save the rest for my classroom when I go back in September, because I feel like they'd be perfect for like students' art. So super simple to install. I literally put that one up in 5 seconds. Here is the front and the back. It also comes with little push pins, which I thought was a nice little touch. And then it comes with all these adhesives. So I'm gonna put 4 adhesives, 1 in each corner. Let me do that and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I put 1 in each corner, and then you just peel off the little plastic piece here, and all you do is you line it up or find where you want it, and literally it does the job for you because you just stick it in place, line it up. I'm gonna do vertical instead of horizontal. I love the vertical look. Push it in and voila. It actually, I could, if I wanted, fill the whole little space right here since I have a little cube organizer, but I think that's gonna be perfect. These are cool because you can actually adjust the size of them too, and there's lots of different colors. So to adjust the size, you literally just take like a knife or ruler, craft knife, utility, scissors, whatever, and you can just cut it because it's a material that can be cut. So pretty awesome. Let me put some pegs up there so you can see how it works. Okay, look how perfect. Now I'll be able to hang up whatever I want. The push pins go in super smooth. Again, this is, I have so many, so that's 2 panels, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have the 12 pack, but so cute, such good quality, and I love that I have more to put somewhere else. The brand sent me these, and it's so cool. I feel like it's perfect for your office space. It'll be perfect for my classroom. I love the little setup.